I strongly recommend this program to anybody who wants to make a difference in the lives of the world. Hello friends, I'm very happy that I took the decision to do the TTT Train the Trainer program level 2 at Lonavala. My takeaway from here is that I now know the vision of my life. I know the goals that will help me accomplish that vision. I have all the tools and techniques and the steps to follow to reach my goals and vision. I now know how to deal with my emotions. I can now vouch for this program. It gives us so much of empowerment. All negative and limiting beliefs are destroyed. And I strongly recommend this program to anybody who wants to make a difference in the lives of the world. Thank you.